2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mpg rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, power driver's seat. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.